Right there. Tarpon? No, I can't tell. Come on. Look at this snook. Crazy snook. I saw him feeding over there. Oh, a tarpon. Good morning from Everglades National Park. So I'm back here, guys, at the 9 Mile Pond. I was gonna fish last week at in the evening time, and man, after what, I don't know, sometime in the afternoon, 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, it just started pouring, and it did not stop till Monday, late Monday. So even into Tuesday it was raining down here, so I couldn't fish last week. I kind of wanted to fish the evening here last Saturday, and I missed out on that. But here I am, and look at this beautiful place out here, guys. You guys are more than welcome to join me. You can tag along. I want to thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Come on, let's go do this, guys. Man, freaking bugs are nasty. Whoo, and I'm crazy come out here in shorts. Spray or no spray. Ooh, man, these bugs are nasty. So I prepped everything yesterday. New leader, new hook, everything new. Baits, rattle trap. And on this pole here, I forgot I had a wind knot way down inside, so I just spent the last few minutes trying to get that knot off, and I went ahead and just cut it and just redid the whole thing again. But hey, it is what it is between these bugs and that wind knot. I guess it is what it is, guys. Let's see what happens today. That water level is freaking high. Oh no, that was it's got to be a foot higher from 2 weeks ago, from all that rain we got Monday, Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday, Memorial Day weekend. And that's not really good out here. The rain, we need the rain, but when that water level gets so high, those snooks, the big bass, they just take off way back in the mangroves back there. There's so much water back there that they don't need to be out here. So let's see what happens today. I fished this place where I almost get skunked because the water level's so high. Well, let's see what happens today. Like I said earlier, you guys are welcome to tag along. Whew, them bugs are nasty. Hopefully I can get some top water hits today. You know, I do try a lot of different baits out here. I don't get them on the video because they really don't work all that great in here. So when I come out here, I bring what I know is going to work. Well, I have other stuff with me, but I use what I know is going to work. But I've tried a bunch of other stuff out here, from crankbaits, different types of crankbaits. Not saying you don't catch fish with them. I'm saying you don't catch the fish I want to catch, the snook, with them. So you're always going to see me fishing with this guy right here, the fluke. I call him Bass Assassin. The tube and rattle traps. So corner right here where I caught that big boy 2 weeks ago. Hoping to get some topwater hit early this morning. Listen to the gators. There's one in there. There's one back there. Listen to that. What's it doing there, man? There comes a fish. The fish just turned on it. He just turned on it, man. Come on. What the heck, dude? Oh, we nailed it. I saw him feeding over there. Oh, a tarpon. I saw him feeding over there. Oh, right there. Tarpon? Yep. No, I can't tell. The sun's in my face. It's a snook. It's a crazy snook. Crazy snook. Oh, he stood out. Little guy. That was fun. I love it. Thank you, Lord. Ooh, you know the crap out of right by the kayak. You open the bail, boy. I think it'll work if you open the bail. I really believe it was designed to open the bail. Then cast. Oh, he nailed the crap out of it. Come on, man. Shoot. I haven't landed a fish yet. Had a tarpon on, I had a snook on, and I haven't landed a fish yet. And this guy just nailed the crap out of it, man. See if we hit it again. Pay attention. Nice. Big snook. Big snook. Come on, big boy. Oh man, love that jump. Come on, I gotta land this guy. Come on, man. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. Such that beast. Whoa. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo. I thought I was going to lose him in them rocks right there. He was underneath them rocks. Man, I worked hard for you, dude. I really worked hard for you. You are the first fish I land today. Woo! I gotta get away from these trees and mosquitoes. Oh, shoot. I gotta get away from these trees. Give me 1 minute. Mosquitoes will tear me up. Whew. I worked hard for this guy. I tell you. Oh, look at that. Mosquitoes, boy. It's nasty. Okay, I got that out. Get you right out, buddy. Give me 1 second. I gotta give me a bigger net. I keep saying that and I don't. Don't jump, wait. Don't. Easy, I'll get you out, boy. Easy, boy. I'm gonna let you go. Man, come here, big boy. Get my phone charging. Oh, yes. Man, you're heavy, dude. Oh. Look at that beast. Whew. What a pretty fish, man. Look at that. Oh, man, thank you, Lord. Whew. Oh, man. What a pretty fish, guys. Look at that thing, man. Look at that. Oh, nice. Thank you, Lord. I worked hard for that fish, guys. That's the first fish I landed today. I don't even know what time it is, but I've been here since, I don't know, 6:30 in the water. All right, buddy, whenever you want. Oh, look how pretty, man. Thank you. Whew. Sweet. Thank you, Lord. Oh, first bass. All right. The first bass. Fish. The water's too high, guys. I don't like fishing these ponds when the water's so high. You got too much room in the back to go feed and hang out and do what fish do back there. But it is what it is. I wanted to go out to the Florida Bay, but this wind coming from the southeast was not going to help me out there. So I decided to come here instead. That's where I caught my first snook. Ooh, in that corner. Oh, you ain't gonna catch it like that. Come on, man. Spooking all the fish over there. Oh, I'm gonna go over there. Many years ago, when I didn't know this place held snook. Oh, come on, man. All these mosquitoes, dude. You gotta come do this. Look at all these mosquitoes. Right up underneath this mango tree. It was a 42-inch snook. Many moons ago. Okay. Welcome to the day I've been having. It's been that kind of day. Get that drop off right there. Big old fat mama snook sitting down there waiting for something to come through to eat it. first top water bite, man. I've had a couple of fish turn on it earlier this morning, but that's the first one. The little guy won the battle. Good for him. I said the hook, but he was swimming full speed towards me. It's a tarpon. It's a tarpon. Hey, Mr. Fly, what you doing? Dragonfly, look at it. Oh, right there. Oh, yeah, I love it. Right there. Right up underneath the kayak just about. Oh, I love that. Right there, he was in that grass right there. Just chilling. Come here, buddy. Shit all over the place. Crap's all over the place. Buddy. Don't crap all over the place, man, like the other one did. Hey, man, take a chill pill too. Okay, took off with the bell open. Come here, buddy. You ain't done yet? Look at a fathead bass. I'm gonna come up and eat you. Come here, man. I had you all off, almost off. What the heck are you guys eating out here today, man? Right there. What camera got that? I felt the tap, the thump, and I saw the fish. So it was a really slow day. I don't know. I think I caught 3 snook. A nice one. I got a nice one out of there. But it was a slow day. I worked hard for those fish today, guys. I worked hard for those fish. It's a beautiful place out here. Once that water level gets up too high, I mean, the fish have too much room to just take off. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm loaded up. I'm out of here. The mosquitoes are just nasty, even in the sun, even out here in the open. The mosquitoes are nasty out here. It's gonna be a rough summer. You really gotta like this stuff to be out here fishing. I mean, they've been all over me all day. I did put some spray on and stuff, but like, I don't like putting that stuff on. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, thanks, guys.